What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's good? What's good, guys? Leaving the 7-Eleven, and I was thinking about shooting a video, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna just shoot a video regardless of how I'm groomed today. It's a little rough, but today, you know, Chiefs about to play, so I'm just getting myself some little things so I can go watch my Chiefs. Okay, but I wanted to talk about a way to generate money online, guys, and I wanted to share one of the methods and one of the things that I'm actually doing to actually make money online. And right at the end of this video, I'm going to share something with you where you can actually witness live tonight and see it firsthand from a lot of 6- and 7-figure earners that we're doing a lot of the same thing. But guys, a lot of times, you know, for the person that has never thought about, or who wants to make money online but just don't quite understand it, pretty much, guys, we're in affiliate marketing, or, you know, some call it multi-level marketing, direct sales, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so what it is that we become affiliates of some type of product. We're joining a product or program, and that program allows us to actually get reseller rights, or allows us to go out there and become distributors of the company, where we can also go out there and tell others about it, and they're going to give us some type of compensation. Okay, now the main problem is that people join these companies and they actually don't know how to go out and market and promote and tell others about it. See, most of the time they'll come in and people will tell them, hey, join, you know, go to all your family and friends, and, you know, and then once they shoot you down, you know, go to everybody else, and then once you run out of everybody, you're in the no friends left club, you know, and now you're like, what do? I'm not making money, I'm spinning my wheels, it's a scam, I quit. I know, man. I've seen so many people do it. Me coming from the music world, and I was one too. You know, I didn't believe in this type of stuff, man. I really didn't. So I got involved in it, and I started seeing the things that people were willing to do, the sacrifice that they were willing to make, the life-changing income that was being made. I was just seeing so much at once, and I knew that, man, this thing is real. So, you know, I just kept getting deeper and deeper into it. It was a lot of late nights, a lot of trial and error with things that I was doing that wasn't working, you know, and I would just be up late night, constantly in front of the computer, just staring in front of the computer, just like, man, how am I going to make this work? What do I got to do to get this thing going? It just felt like, man, like I said, I was just going in circles, literally over and over and over. So I actually got with an actual, a top earner. And he introduced me to marketing systems, you know, showing like, hey, you know, you put together a nice funnel, a sales funnel, a system, pretty much, and you go and you promote this link, and you have that person doing all the selling and telling for you on the VSL, which is a sales letter. So that way, when everybody say, okay, they want to make a decision, now they can either join the company, or they can actually, you know, go back to doing what they were doing. But you have a follow-up message series that is actually following up and building a relationship with them. So now they're able to pretty much, you know, eventually join. You know, you really have to see something about 6 or 7 times before you actually make a buying decision on actually joining a program or being a part of something like that. So not everybody joins in the beginning. Okay, so then there was a thing called traffic. You know, they're saying, okay, before, you know, in order you want people to join your business, you want them to see your website. You know, you got to find ways to generate traffic for them to see it. So, you know, I was trying different things. I didn't, you know, some people don't have money, and, you know, they do the same thing. They post on Facebook, constantly post on Facebook, and now people are like, okay, this dude was just broke 2 weeks ago. Now he's up here talking about make 6-7 figures, well, whatever, and he's a lie. That's a scam. So, you know, I had to get introduced to a thing called targeted traffic. All right, so pretty much it was a thing called targeted traffic, you know. So, you know, I had to starting to focus on people that were interested in what I had going on. So that's when I started actually sending traffic to I would actually go get solo ads, and I would actually send the traffic to these marketing systems. Now, I would generate sales, you know, but I was branding somebody else. You know, at the end of the day, I was actually branding somebody else. I didn't actually have anything introducing myself in the beginning, showing people like, hey, who I was, that I was a normal person, that you can generate income, you know, showing my proof. You know, I didn't actually put myself out there as a leader. And once I started putting myself out there as a leader, like, hey guys, you know, I'm utilizing marketing systems. I said, let me just get on YouTube. let me show others what I'm doing. The person is just like me that don't know how to do something. Let me just start doing what I'm doing. Let me start documenting everything that I'm doing. So I start documenting, you know, the marketing system that I'm using. I start documenting the capture page that I built, you know, and how I'm using it in my system. Then I start saying, hey guys, you want to use this? Here's my code. You know, sign up for this system, and here's my code. Also, you can go buy leads from the back office of this company. People that have already answered an ad saying that they're interested in making money. So the only thing you got to do is just reach out to them and give them the information. So I start putting together a full system, and I start making it very easy for people. So, you know, instead of them joining an opportunity, I got another challenger running by me. Instead of them joining an opportunity, what I decided to say, okay, instead of you joining this opportunity, I'm also going to give you a marketing system design. So the marketing system is what I spoke about. It does all of the selling and telling for you. But the only difference was it was going to be designed for you, where you could actually utilize me, or you can utilize the system itself, or someone that's already done everything for you, or evergreen system. Now, we recommend evergreen systems because it's not actually branding another person or some top marketer that's not you. Because when you do that, then what they do is just, okay, let me go find this person directly and make sure I sign up under them. That's the only thing when you're branding somebody else. So that's why I tell others, you know, you want to brand yourself, shoot a video explaining who you are and telling what you're planning on doing, or show others proof. You know, say, hey, this is the company that I'm involved in. This is what we do. Now I'm going to share some testimonials from some of my business partners, you know, and you could be one of the next. So there's going to be a link right after you check everything out and sign up. You see what that was saying? It was like, it necessarily didn't say, oh, I had done all this. This is what I plan on doing with the company. This is what they do. And this is others' proof that they've gotten from it, okay? So that was something I actually started doing. And it became easier for me, because now I'm like, okay, maybe I ain't got proof yet in this company, but I want to utilize others. I start utilizing that. Then I start able to get sales and start putting the sales information out there, saying, this is what I generated. This is the income that I generated. Okay? That is what allowed me to use the social proof. So now, instead of me just saying, hey, man, make money, I could just put up my actual stuff like, hey, man, you know, hey, another $500 made today. And if you want to make money like this, then definitely click that link at the bottom. You see how my ads changed? That's what I'm saying. Looking for 10 people to help make this amount of money, knowing that ain't true. I didn't want to keep doing that, okay? So I started actually utilizing my team then, okay? And that's what I wanted, and that's why I put together a system, and that's why I wanted to shoot this video, so you guys could actually see what I'm doing. And what I'm actually doing, I'm utilizing a company that is actually helping people raise their credit score and generate a weekly income from a thing called income shifting. So if you work a regular 9 to 5, we actually show you how to fill out your W-4 correctly, not manipulate it. You know, we show you how to fill it out correctly, where we show you how to unlock more allowances, where you can utilize that on your W-4 to bring home more take-home pay. So now you can actually invest that additional money that we call income shifting into debt paying off. You can actually pay off your debt. You can actually, you know, invest. So we actually teach you investing in other, you know, parts of America, like Apple, Facebook, different things like that. You know, if you like shopping at Nike, you know, investing in Nike, we teach you those type of things, right? And also, we have a marketing system that does all the selling and telling for you, okay? And with the marketing system as well, you're going to generate an additional income as well. So when someone says, okay, I want to join this, now I'm going to also get the system. See, everything is like a system. Like, you can go set up McDonald's, but McDonald's is not going to let you alter their system. See, they're going to say, okay, this might be the location, but this is McDonald's system, okay? This is how we're going to pretty much operate. This is our marketing material. This is everything. This is how it goes. So we give you a system. We give you a marketing system that does all of the selling and telling for you. Okay? So with MyEcon, we have people that are generating anywhere between $8 for the minimum all the way up to, man, 8 to 12, 13 grand a week. Okay? Literally. Serious money. People are making that. Now with the marketing system, anyone that joins up, they pay you $5 per person that signs up. So now you're earning residual income on top of income as far as overrides goes, one-time income payment, residual income. See, now you have 2 income streams in one. So now you're able to allow something that does all the selling and telling for you, okay? And you have a main program that is actually going to help you increase your credit score. That's going to give you pretty much, it's going to give you information as far as how to fill out your W-4 to bring home more money. And most people that do the income shift and bring home anywhere between $200 to $500 additional, depending on, you know, how much money you make and what all your allowances are. It's case by case, okay? So what would you do with that additional $200 to $500? Would you do the right thing with it, pay off debt, so now you can create more income to actually, you know, buy more stocks or invest more, where now you're creating, you know, monthly dividends where you can live off that? We try to teach you wealth building strategies and financial literacy with the program, so you're able to learn some good income. Now, what I'm definitely going to do, there's going to be a webinar tonight, guys. So it's going to be pretty much explaining more in depth from some 6- and 7-figure earners. I'm going to have a link that's going to be at the bottom. It's going to be in the description there, and it's going to pretty much give you access. So 10 p.m. Eastern tonight, guys, I want you to check this out. I'm going to upload this video very soon. I'm not going to do any special little tag with all that extra stuff on it I normally do. I might do it later, but this is why I just want to upload it so that way you guys can check it out. Okay, so check out the program and check it. And if there's any questions that you have, I want you guys to get with me, okay? So you have, I leave all my information. You opt in anything, I'm pretty sure you get emails where you can reach out to me, where it tells you where you can send me something. I leave all that information there, so you can definitely reach out to me, okay? But I just wanted to actually share with you guys. So if you're looking for a way to make an additional, you know, $200 to $500, just, I'm gonna say monthly, man, because even if you don't go out and recruit nobody, you're still pretty much gonna be utilizing the system as far as the income shifting part of it. So you're still utilizing the system. That's the cool thing about it. So I'm gonna leave a link, guys. I want you to check it out, man. All the information is gonna be there for you to get involved. You know, if you have more questions, like I said, we're pretty much gonna cover everything on the webinar. This system is designed to pretty much, like I said, do all of the selling and telling for you. We show you as far as Facebook ads. We give you training. There's a team training that you're gonna have access to as far as how to set up Facebook pages. You're gonna get my social media ads training. I'm gonna pretty much give you everything you need to get going. Also, if you decide, hey, you know, you want to branch off and do things bigger, you know, as far as your own capture pages and marketing systems, I'm also going to help you do that as well. Okay, so if you're looking to make an additional $200 to $500 a week, again, tune into the webinar tonight. If you want to check out just the regular company stuff, I will leave a link for that as well. But definitely tune into the webinar so you can hear from some live people, man, people that are really killing it in the game. Okay, and if you missed the webinar, I'm going to also have a replay of it as well. So if you're watching this video late, you're still going to have a link and a replay. But definitely, I'm going to be watching the Kansas City Chiefs right now because it's almost that time in about 20 minutes. So this is your boy Jay. I'm out. You guys have a beautiful and blessed day.